Do you guys have the same problem I have where I can't seem to keep up with the cleanliness on this garage? My workbench is always just disaster here, guys. As you guys can see, I got pretty much everything in here. Every time I clean it up, as I mentioned in one of the videos, one little project or one little maintenance on any of the cars, and all of a sudden it just turns into a mess like this. I don't know, guys, maybe you guys could give me some suggestions on how I could keep this up. Maybe just a little bit of discipline here and there. But anyways, we're gonna attempt to actually clean everything up here, and hopefully we can keep it as clean as possible, and where I could really just return things where they are normally placed. So anyways, guys, without further ado, I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride and just basically work on cleaning up the garage today. So stay tuned. Up in this area here, as you guys can see, I got my bike sitting here, and I have a rack where I could literally mount on the wall, but mount the bike on the wall, but I can't decide where the best place would be. And it's been sitting here for months, and I can't really make up my mind where I'm gonna put things, hang the bike basically in this big garage. So anyways, guys, I get plenty of place to actually put it, but I just can't make up my mind where I'm gonna put it. So this thing's been sitting here for a long time, and I got my car cover here that's been sitting here, which is supposed to be on the trunk of the car, but yeah. And I got my life jacket here. I don't know why it's been sitting here as well. That's supposed to be stashed away with the kayak and all that. And you know, I just want to clear this area up here, you know, so that way I get room to walk around. As you guys can see, there's tons of stuff on the sink that I can't seem to clean up. So anyways, guys, yeah, give me some suggestions where I could put this bike. I'm gonna show you the walls really here. Maybe I could hang it somewhere here, but then I don't want to clutter the walls as well in the process. By the way, if you guys notice, I have changed the layout on the workbench a little bit here. As you can see, I added more of our Craftsman's upper cabinet there, and I moved the big cabinet on that side there and added a couple more cabinets up here. And if you guys notice, at some point in time I had a smaller workbench over on this side, and now I got a super long workbench I can work with and able to actually stash away some of my rolling cabinets on the bottom. As you guys can see, the plan is that actually I could put my fridge over here. So anyways, again, the cabinet, the tall cabinets right there, and the sink still in the same location. Now I have a longer bench to work on, and just to clean this area up, basically it's just so messy. And on this area here, yeah, similarly, I have so many things going on here, guys, as you guys notice. Yeah, I just need to clean it up, basically. And this is supposed to be a extra table that I can do work on. I'll put it in my computer here or whatever, but it's just full of just garbage at this point. On this side, as you guys can see, another workbench technically here on top of this cabinet. And I got so many things going on here, and I truly need to see where I can put them and stash them away. My cabinet here is full of stuff already. So yeah, I have no more space to put all this stuff in there. So, but anyways, we're gonna start working in here and do some cleanup here a little bit. As you guys can see, in between the two cars, I got so many things going on. I need a bigger garage, guys. I thought this garage is big enough, but I got so much stuff going on here that I don't know where to put them. So anyways, I'm gonna attempt to actually do some cleaning here. As you guys can see, yeah, it's just a mess all over the place. ladies and gentlemen, we're pretty much done here. As you guys can see behind me, it's finally organized. At least it's fairly clean now, for the most part. That is, I was able to put away all my tools and all the gadgets and everything. My workbench is way bigger than it used to. I made it narrower, as you guys can see. The table itself is narrower now than it used to. Used to be about this much, sticks out this much at one point, but now it's nicely proportioned. It gives me more room to work around here. As you can see, the SUV basically parks around this area here, and I got plenty, about 4 feet space there to actually work on without too close to the car. So it's awesome that it's able to park the whole long SUV, and still plenty of space there to go around. So, anyways, guys, in terms of side here, as you can see, it's also been all organized at this point here. I haven't really, I don't know where to put any of this stuff. I'm planning to set my Hot Wheels somewhere, a frame that I came up with that I could actually lay out all the collection there. So, anyways, I still get all these tools and parts here that I haven't really have any space. I don't know exactly where I'm going to put them, and so we'll leave them here for now, for the time being. And the bike as well. I'm still not certain where I'm going to place the bike, and it's just that I don't want to start nailing things there and then all of a sudden I'm not too sure if I like it or not. So anyways, as you guys can see, we got this place here. It's a little bit more tidier now, and our lawnmower and all that kind of stuff on this side here. As soon as my shed's built, then I'll be able to actually at least put that away and make this garage even more cleaner in this case. So anyways, guys, without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this small little vlog. But anyways, guys, as I like to say it, peace out.